Penn National Insurance is a regional mutual insurance company. We've been based in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania for over 106 years on the Susquehanna. Don't ask me to spell it. We built the building. We take pride in it being one of the marquee sites here in the city.
I've been at Penn National for 29 years. The company attracted me. It seemed like people that care about each other. Everybody was friendly, willing to help each other out. We've been able to put together some really good products because of our size, being nimble, being efficient.
Our mission is that we help people feel secure and make life better when bad things happen.
It's all about the customer at the end of the day. We have a responsibility to be there for them.
We pride ourselves on being a relationship-driven business. You treat people with respect. You treat people with kindness. Basically, everybody is important. The expectations that people have for insurance is constantly ramping up. And the stakes are really high because people expect their insurance company to serve them at times when they really need them.
There's a lot of competition. You need to take advantage of everything that you can. Nutanix helps us get that competitive edge. In the last 29 years, there's been a big change technology-wise. SQL Server has been a big part of that. Along with that has been an explosion in data. Our goals are to have our infrastructure side by side with AWS and Azure and really build that hybrid cloud synergy.
The more data that we have, the better we can serve our policyholders, the faster we can address claims when we get them. But with that also comes the challenge of managing that data, keeping that data safe, and using that data in a way that drives the business forward.
NDB's made our job easier. Our testing is key, and a lot of times we need a fresh copy of the database to provide a good testing area. Some of the new systems now are 10 times the size of what we used to have. Traditionally, when we were doing our backups, before the NDB software, it takes 7 hours to do a backup. In Nutanix, I can take a backup or a snapshot of that database with near zero footprint, 4 minutes. It's night and day difference. And we just couldn't do that before without the Nutanix software.
I think as we look forward, we really want to continue to innovate and be able to harness the latest and greatest in technology so that we can continue to grow and continue to strengthen our relationships to the community, to our policyholders, and to our agents.
One of the things that has been good with the relationship with Nutanix has really been where are we today, but where can we go tomorrow? And companies like Nutanix help you embrace that change and really help you take yourselves to the next level.